Alright guys, another cooking video from Brian with Have Fun in Nature. Yay! This is going to be different though. What is the craziest way you've ever made mashed potatoes? Let us know in the comments. I'm going to show you a different way today. Guess what we're going to use? That's right. Potato chips. We're going to make mashed potatoes with potato chips, guys. What do you think about that? Have you ever seen this trick? You just toss your chips in there. I guess 3 bags would be enough. I had another one open, but I think it'll be fine. A little bit of water. I gotta turn the stove on here. I'm outside having fun in nature. We're not inside today. Surprise. Get a little heat going. Of course the bag wants to blow around. Yep, so you just put your chips in there, a little bit of water, crunch them up. Pretty weird, huh? Yep, we're making mashed potatoes, guys. Imagine that. All the potato chips. Got a lot of water in there. Maybe I will toss the other bag in. You can use milk too. You don't have to use water. They're gonna get some milk added to it later though after the water cooks off. But it'll be alright. Just crunch them up. Let them break down. You're gonna be surprised. I don't know, looks like it might need another drop of water now. Woo! He about fell off there, didn't he? Yeah, just keep mashing up till those potato chips will break down. We'll do that and be back right with you. Alright, so we let her cook down a minute. Look how thick that is. Wow. Still some stuff sticking to the bottom of the pot, so we'll throw a little more water in there. You gotta get the yumminess off the bottom of the pot, right? You can't just leave that stick around. And it'll be easier to clean your pot when you're done. But anyway, look how thick they are. Well, they kind of turned out yellow. A little weird. Yeah, the first time I did this, I did it with just regular potato chips that were fried. It turned out pretty good mashed potatoes, but they tasted like fried potatoes. So I'm trying it with the baked potato chips this time. I'm sure that'll be a lot better. But yeah, you know, you got the little butter in there. We'll get some milk in a minute. Got a few spices here. A little rosemary, thyme. A little drop of that powdered chicken broth. I won't put all of it in there. It's not much in there. We don't want to overdo it. And of course, you always got to add some salt and pepper. You got to use good salt though. The real salt. Pretty good stuff. It's not that chemically processed crap. It actually comes out the ground from the old ancient seas. And your peppercorns, like I say. You got to get the colored peppercorns, guys. Don't just use the black peppercorns. You gotta get the rainbow version. With all the colors in it. It's so much better that way. Give them a stir. You're ready for some milk. I'm cheating today though. I didn't feel like opening up some milk, so I had some heavy whipping cream. Which is better than your mashed potatoes anyway, right? No one can argue with that. It may be a tad much, but just stir it up. We'll have some yummy mashed potatoes in a minute. Maybe you can see my lovely wife tasting it. We'll see what happens. It's still really thick. Look at that. Yeah, with a little more milk in it. Or heavy cream, I'm sorry. A little bit more butter. Can't have enough butter and milk in it, guys. Any kind of mashed potatoes, you know? Why not? Throw some more in there. It's good for you. Some good healthy fat. So yeah, you guys gotta leave a comment down there, man. What's the craziest way you've ever seen anyone make mashed potatoes? Yeah, see how it all comes together? No, this one kind of turned out yellow. Normally it turns out like a white color, but just the brand of chips we got today, I guess. But we will work with it. A little pasty, so a little more milk. Should use milk instead of heavy cream though, maybe. It'd be alright though. A little more fat, good for you, right? Fat is good for you guys. Especially if it's from grass-fed cows and stuff, you know? Alright. I'll go grab me a spoon and we'll check her out. Alright, guys. They look like pretty good. I think we got her.
Oh my gosh.
Looks like mashed potatoes, doesn't it?
With potato
Like
chips.
I said, yeah, but like I said, they're a little bit yellow for some reason. Just those chips that we got this time, they were like, had a little bit of yellow color to them, but
I gotta try it.
I got my beautiful taste tester out here. She's gonna give them a try. Let's see what she thinks about them.
I get a big bite.
Big bite. What you think, beautiful lady?
It tastes like mashed potatoes.
Right? I know, like I said, that last time we did with the fried chips.
Wow.
And it tasted like fried potatoes, but those...
I mean, if you don't want to stock up on potatoes, stock up on potato chips to make potatoes.
And if you want to do something in a pinch,
oh,
you know,
wow.
if you don't have any potatoes around, but you got potato chips in your cabinet, give it a try.
Oh my gosh.
It is Tiffany approved, guys. Tiffany approved. Give them a thumbs up.
Dude. In a pinch, you can make potatoes out of potato chips, mashed potatoes.
Like I said, you don't have potatoes around, but you got chips in your cabinet.
Right? You want some mashed potatoes to go with your meatloaf? Todd saw it in your meatloaf video.
Oh yeah, Todd. Cool. Todd, you definitely gotta have mashed potatoes. You gotta have mashed potatoes. Yep, no doubt.
And if you run out of mashed potatoes and you got some plain chips.
Like I said, I prefer the baked ones. Don't try not to do the fried ones if you can. I mean, they're good, but it tastes like fried potatoes when you're eating a mashed potato. But yeah,
my gosh,
you guys gotta try it.
Just to see if you can do it in a pinch.
There's a challenge for you guys.
Right.
Make some potato chips, mashed potatoes. How about that? And we did it outside because we like having fun in nature. Later, guys.